Hello, happy traders. How are you? I hope you guys are good. Guys, thank you for liking and subscribing my channel. तो गाइस चलिए आज हम लोग कुछ एनालिसिस पे बात करते हैं सारे सेक्टर्स के बारे में। जैसा कि गाइस आप लोग देख सकते हैं न्यूज़ काफ़ी अच्छी नहीं आ रही है रिटेल ट्रेडर के लिए, क्योंकि सेबी ने काफ़ी हद तक एक्शन लेना चालू कर चुका है ऑन स्पेकुलेटिव ट्रेडिंग। तो गाइस कुछ ऐसा है कि बहुत सारे जो रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स हैं उनके लिए काफ़ी दिक्कत आने वाली है, बहुत ही दिक्कत। इनफैक्ट मिडिल क्लास फैमिली अब ऑप्शन मार्केट में कर ही नहीं पाएंगे। एज इफ यू गाइस हैव नॉट वॉच्ड निर्मला सीताराम videos on finance budget day on future and option taxes, she has clearly said that future and option is not for the middle class family and they should stay away from that, because most of the household incomes are now flowing towards on the speculative ones and they are losing it up. The money which is made by our prop firms and other big institutions are taking away in their entire profit. And if the retails do made a profit, but it is a very less amount of profit, guys. So nifty, I think the sebi has taken a decision for increasing the lot size, and drastically this will helps to wipe out the most of the retail investors. And they have also increased their taxes, and now they are telling to bring an upfront margin, okay, for buying any futures or contracts, because initially that we have also have a margin which was very less. Now bringing an upfront margin is actually is going to make everyone bleed into the market. Even the big investors, they will be having a hard time in doing stock market. So there has to be some sort of liquidity. I don't feel like they are erasing the liquidity, man. uh, all the actions which they are taking on this budget is going to be the worst budget and for the year actually. So the monies are not flowing in the middle class family. Economy is totally messed. People are losing their jobs, they're not getting one. And now this is was something, there was some hope in the stock market, but now they have also killed it. Now what do we have? Just sit idle and do nothing, okay, unless and until next revolution comes out. So this is something they want. Okay, governments, they want corruptions, government, they want uh, things to be not go well. That's why they are manipulating the tax and policies, okay. So their decision was very final and they're not, you know, they're not doing anything. So now the situation is very tight and very tough. And you need to understand that in order to survive, guys, you need to follow some rules and ethics, okay. So anyway, the thing is that they have started implementing the lot size and it's going to be difficult for the retail investor also. Well, let's see what happens. Till then our journey will continue and will not try to focus. Whenever the journey comes to an end, then we need to see a substitute, okay. So I think now we are shifting towards something like most of the traders, they'll be shifting towards jobs or those who had a losses. uh, Trading will become the side incomes. And yeah, equity can trade on equity, but they're not going to make profits onto the equities because an upfront margin requires will be too high, and most of the retail traders will make penny out from it just for a daily expenses. So guys, nothing much to say onto this thing. The news is very bad, guys. It was unexpected, that's why market is falling, and I believe that market is going to get crash onto this. uh, this kind of the worst budget I have ever seen, okay. uh, let's see what's happened. Let's hope for the best, guys. So nifty commodities has started, on the break of, it's going to go down definitely. Fin service is about to go down, okay. Now see, everything has started taking downside. No, everyone, everything, every stock, single stock is now bleeding. No, they it catch the momentum now. Definitely, it has to bow down like this. You know. So what's the use for that? MNC, yeah, MNC was a lot more powerful, but suddenly the trend is clearly visible that it's going down. You see, instant volume and then it's nothing. It's all going down, guys. Either it's going sideways. Pharma sector, the worst sector ever. I mean, I have to say that that's also going down. That's going up, but now the thing is they have changed its direction. So yeah, the worst company will also get affected onto this way, na pharma sector. So there's so many companies that are coming and going, coming and going. So nothing else. Now this thing is also PSU banks. They're going sideways. So the trend is clearly we can see it's in downtrend. Yeah, this is also the same, guys. So we come to the conclusion that I think the fall is near, and those of you who have like uh, been doing to the stock market, it's time for you to, either make a good amount of money, or sometimes even if the market falls down, the put will not rise up. Okay, so guys, it's better to go and protect your capital as much as you can, and not to lose your capital, because that's the more motto you should have. The risk management should be very very tight, very tight. I'm telling you, in order to survive into this war, you need to have a very proper discipline. You need to have an edge, else you lose this game entirely. So if you think that you can recover in short period of time, don't hurry yourself, because it's only going to make you bury. Focus on time, give your time to the market, whatever you have made it, the thing that you made it, and now it's time for you to move on to get something good, okay, for yourself. Till then, guys, best wishes, happy learning, and see you tomorrow.